katabi. Hello guys, ito yung aming room.
Ikaw na pala ang may-ari ng damdamin ng minamahal ko.
Pakisabi na lang na huwag nang mag-alala, okay lang ako.
Parang tangang kausap
Yan
ang
yung aming room.
tala at buwan.
Siyempre dito pa rin, madam,
Naghihintay
no?
na meron sa
Dito muna.
ng kawalan.
Akala ko'y habang buhay tayo, akala ko'y hanggang dulo.
Kaway-kaway guys.
Kaya't humiling
Madam
ako
Bibi.
kay Bathala. Sana ay hindi na siya luluha.
Yan ang aming second
Kapag
room.
naalala ko ang mga araw na magkasama tayong dalawa,
Kaway-kaway guys.
ngiti at tuwa sa aking
Kaway,
mga
kaway.
mata. Ganun na pala tayo dati kasaya.
Ayun, dalawang magaganda. Tara na. Hoy.
Pinaliwala niya ako dahil
kaway-kaway,
sa'yo.
guys.
Nawalan na ng saysay at
Kaway. Guys,
pagmamahal.
kaway-kaway naman.
Nagkaidagal ko rin binubuo.
Yan. So, kaway.
Nagkaidagal ko
Sa
rin
bawat saglit, nandun sa tangan. Kahit di mo alam,
Mamaya ako maliligo. So.
subukan muli at
Ito yung car
pagbigyan
namin.
ang ating nakaraan. Natapos na ang lahat, nandito pa rin ako.
Tara.
kailan kaya muling makakatawa?
Di ko alam, di ko alam.
Ingatan mo siya.
Then guys, ang LORELAND.
Pinaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo. Nawalan na ng saysay at pagmamahal. Nagkaidagal ko rin binubuo. Nagkaidagal ko rin hindi sumuko.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just open up, don't be scared. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong. You will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack.
shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
syempre, meron pa tayong another swimming pool. Yes, marami po silang caretaker dito, guys.
Ikaw na pala ang may-ari ng
Sa
damdamin
phase
ng
1,
minamahal ko.
makikita mo yung kanilang another swimming
Sabi na
pool.
lang
Yan.
na
Mga kiriray na babae.
okay lang ako.
Baihan. Ayan.
Parang tangang
Parang
kausap
talagang pag
ang
nandito ka, guys,
tala at buwan.
Pare-refresh yung
Naghihintay na meron sa inanang kawalan.
Siyempre, meron silang mga
Akala ko'y habang buhay tayo. Akala ko'y hanggang dulo. Kaya't humiling ako kay Bathala. Sana ay hindi
Siyempre,
siya
makikita natin ang
Kapag
sunflower.
naalala ko ang mga araw na magkasama tayong dalawa.
Ayan.
Ngiti at tuwa sa aking
Yes,
mga
right
mata.
there.
Ganun na pala tayo dati kasaya.
Ingatan mo siya.
dito yung cellphone mo,
Pinaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo. Nawalan na ng saysay ang
Ang hina naman,
pagmamahal
bro.